Hello, Klasse 10. Today we're going to look at Verkehrsmittel, modes of transport. Now, in the moment, I'm going to open up a PowerPoint and then we're going to go and do through some things for it and from it. The first thing we're going to do is you're basically just going to match some letters with the words, okay? Before we do that, I want you to open this document here, Verkehrsmittel Powerpoint. In the first part here, you have the words, and I will say the words from the PowerPoint. You just write down the number next to it. After that, we're going to have a look at a little bit of grammar, using mit, which is with. When we use mit, it takes the dative form, which means that the words change. And when we have a der word plus mit, it becomes mit dem. A die word changes to mit der, and a das word changes to mit dem also. So, zum Beispiel, for example, ich fahre mit dem Bus. Ich fahre mit der U-Bahn. Ich gehe zu Fuß. See how this is different? You're not going to put this bit in the table. So what you're going to do is, for instance, das Schiff, you've got to decide which column it's going to go under, and you're going to write, I travel by boat, which is das Schiff, okay? Once you've done that, you have to answer the best mode of transport or the best mode of traveling in the following circumstances. So, wie fährt man am besten? What is the best way to travel if? So we've got these things here. Wenn man während der Fahrt sein Handy nutzen will. Wenn man Staus auf der Autobahn vermeiden will, fit zu bleiben, wenn es schneit, wenn das Reiseziel weit weg ist, umweltfreundlich zu sein, pünktlich zu einem Termin zu kommen. Now, put the English under there first. You're going to have to look those up, and you could even do a little table of vocabulary that you've had to look up underneath there. And then you just put the correct form of, or the best form of transport that you think next to those. Okay. So let's have a look at the PowerPoint. So have a look here. So, Verkehrsmittel means mode of transport. So here we've got zu Fuß, we've got das Fahrrad, die Bahn oder der Zug, der Bus, das Schiff, die Fähre, das Flugzeug, das Auto, das Motorrad zum Beispiel. Okay, so, whoops, didn't see that, did you? Okay, so I'm just going to read these out. You have to write in your table there what letter goes next to it. What number? So what number picture goes with the word, all right? So, Nummer 1, die Straßenbahn. Die Straßenbahn. Nummer 2, zu Fuß. Nummer 3, die U-Bahn. Nummer 4, das Motorrad. Nummer 5, das Fahrrad. Nummer 6, das Flugzeug. Nummer 7, der Zug. Nummer 8, der Bus. Nummer 9, das Schiff. Nummer 10, Entschuldigung, der Taxi. Nummer 11, die Fähre. Und Nummer 12, das Auto oder der Wagen. Okay, so obviously you can pause and rewind as we're going on. Any problems with that, just let me know.